Hello, today we will guide you through how to not collect IP address in Qualtrics. If you want to make your survey more privacy-friendly, Qualtrics includes a setting that helps prevent IP addresses from being stored with responses. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to find that setting and how to turn it on inside your survey configuration. Begin by opening your survey in Qualtrics and going to the Edit Survey page. This is the main workspace where you manage your survey content and settings. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct survey before changing any configuration options. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Survey Options. This section contains the broader settings that control how your survey behaves beyond just the questions themselves. It's where you'll find things related to survey access, response handling, and privacy-related controls. After that, click on Security. The Security area is where Qualtrics places settings that help you manage how respondent information is handled. Since IP address collection is tied to privacy and anonymization, this is the section you'll need for this update. Once you're in Security, scroll down toward the bottom of the page. Some of the most important settings are lower in the panel, so keep scrolling until you reach the anonymization option. If you don't see it right away, just continue down slowly and check the available toggles carefully. When you find the setting labeled Anonymize Responses, click it to turn it on. Enabling this option is the key step in preventing Qualtrics from collecting identifying information such as IP addresses with survey responses. This is especially useful when you want to protect respondent privacy or when your survey requires a more anonymous data collection process. After turning it on, it's a good idea to pause and confirm that the setting is visibly enabled before leaving the page. That way, you can be confident the privacy setting has been applied successfully. And that's it. By going to your survey's edit page, opening survey options, selecting security, scrolling to the bottom, and enabling anonymized responses, you can configure your Qualtrics survey to avoid collecting IP address information. This is a simple but important adjustment when anonymity matters.